Hey guys, what's up? It's Kelly with Priority Farm Journal, and oh my gosh, it's been forever. I have not been consistent at all, so sorry about that. It's just life happened. There was Christmas, and then after that, I don't know what happened. Time just went by really fast. We were busy hanging out as a family and doing winter stuff, and then we had some family visit, and then we had everyone get sick, so it was all that kind of stuff, just life happening. But I am happy to be back, and I'm hoping to be more consistent now. So it is February, and I'm in Audrey. She's a beautiful, like, pink blush. I don't know how to describe it, with a bit of sheen, but it's got that, like, almost like beige base to it, so it's not like this baby pink color. I don't know, but and then I have this, it says create, and it's a rose gold Erin Condren like metal bookmark type thing that goes perfect for this month. And okay, so I like reinstated my full Planner Perfect sub box, but the first one I'm gonna get still isn't until, well, probably in a couple weeks, but it's for March. So I've been kind of just trying to make things work. I've been using some Planner Perfect journals I have as planners and just setting them up my own way. This month I wanted to do, the ones I had left were like fall theme or summer theme, and I really wanted to stick with the red and the Valentine's theme. And I happened to have a A5 Stalogy that I had cut down to fit in a Planner Perfect wide. So I decided to use that. And from far, it looks perfect. It's the right size, but I had to cut this down with like a box cutter. So it's not perfect when you get up close. Like, it's a little bit frayed and stuff, but whatever, it works. And I just stickered it up with, I have the accessories sub box, so I stickered and tippined up the front of it to make it Valentine's Day themed. These, oh, I'm trying to remember what Etsy shop I got these from. I should have checked that ahead of time, but I'm not good at planning apparently. So I will check that out, and I will link it in the description box below, but they're super cute. It's a little deer and a fox with flowers, and they're kind of like almost a rose gold color, so they match with everything that's going on. I got my tip-ins in here, and so I'm just going to show you how I set up this Stalogy to work for me this month. So I thought it would be wise, since I'm always trying to remember what day it is, just to put the February tip in here so I can have a quick reference to the date. And I love that she's been doing that every month, and I hope she does that forever. I love it. And then I just stuck the Planner Perfect top sticker in here. And for the first page, because how I'm laying it out, I didn't really want to start with just one single page by itself, so I stuck a cute tip in there for the beginning of it. And then what I did was I set up my weeks all in the beginning, and I just used a super thin washi tape to separate the days. And then I had some, it's like a perforated washi tape from, oh my gosh, why can't I think of it now? Somebody help me. It's a sub box. Oh my gosh, this is gonna drive me crazy. Anyways, I'll say it later when I think of it, and I'll put it in the description box. But anyways, it was perforated washi tape that had the days of the week, so I just stuck that on and wrote the date right next to it real quick. And so I have all my weeks together. That's a prayer for someone, so I'm gonna put that upside down. So as you can see, I have all my weeks. I put this little diamond paper clip thing on the week that I'm currently on. And then you'll see I have these stacks of tip-ins in each week. I recently started helping a lot more with hospitality and just organizing people bringing food for church for the different services. So what I do, I'll explain how I lay it out in my 12-month for like the permanent record keeping there. But what I do is I have a tip-in for each service for each week. So I have people laid out to just bring something once a month pretty much. Like someone will have first service the first Sunday of the month, something like that. So I have the people's names and numbers and the service on tip-in cards, and I put them in for each week. And then as I lay out that week, I'll put the tip-ins, I'll put one on Monday to remind the person for Wednesday night Bible study. And then I have the 2 tip-ins for first and second service that I'll put in on Friday to then I can message them or call them and remind them for Sunday. So that's how I'm working that out right now, and it is nice to use these pretty tip-ins. So that's what I'm currently doing and why I have those in these different weeks. But I liked just getting all the weeks done in the beginning because I was kind of figuring out the layout as I went. So that worked out best, so I could just have that done and set in stone. And then I've been using, it's a pink, I think it's like called Fall Cherry Blossom or something like that. It's a pretty bright pink. Like it's kind of clashy with a lot of the washi tapes I chose, to be honest, but I felt like this is my one shot to use this ink because I really prefer using black most of the time. So I used it anyway, even though it's kind of clashy. But so then I laid out 2 pages per day, even for the weekends, because this is a full Stalogy 365. So I have a ton of pages in here. And I just threw down the washi all throughout the month. And then I'm kind of just setting it up week by week. So then once I got, these are all the pages I'm gonna need for the month. And then I just put a tab here. So then I could go ahead and use the rest of this for notes. And I've been putting just different sermon notes in here, but then also just anything I wanted to jot down. I'll just go to the next blank page, put the date, and jot down whatever I want to. But that is a whole mess of pages there that I can utilize, and hopefully I will. But that is pretty much, I just wanted to give you an idea of how I set up this month and what I did in the interim of waiting for my full sub box to come. This is an option for you if you want to deal with cutting down the Stalogy. Now, if you are in a B6, you haven't made, because then you can just get a B6 Stalogy and work in that while you wait for your sub box to kick in. So that is a simple option because you don't have to cut that down or deal with any of that. But I just wanted to give you a quick flip through. I'll show you also, these are the different inserts that I have. I have my regular planning monthly. This is my new 12-month for 2022. I just love this mixed media hair. and I just had them put Priority Farm Journal on it. And I just put this little crown clip because I thought it was cute. Perfect, because it goes right in her hair. And I have my same tabs that I love, and I will link them in the description box. I used them last year too, and they're just super thick and durable, so they don't get all bent and wonky, and they really last like the full year. So there's that. I have a YouTube insert, and it's just a lined book, and I use it for just ideas and stuff like that. And hopefully I won't be such a slacker, and I'll kind of get more organized and be more on top of my videos and being consistent. That's what I'm trying to do. So there's that. And then I also have an Instagram one, which I haven't really used because I mainly just post pictures on the fly, but I'd like to like maybe start getting some more reels done. So this would be a place for ideas and kind of organizing that more so I actually make it happen. And then I just shove my stickers back here. This is the everyday organized, so I shove them back here with the pad, just because for me it fits better. Whenever I stick it in here, it always like kind of gets bent in here and doesn't quite fit right for me. So anyways, that's just a quick flip of what I have going on now, what I'm utilizing as I wait for the full sub box, which I should be getting in a couple weeks. But I'm really happy with this. I still get to use my smooth Stalogy paper, and it fits perfect. I've got a ton of room in here. I can take a bunch of notes. So this is a really good option. But yeah, that's it. I'm kind of excited to get back into my Jaja, or, well, actually next month I won't be because it's March, so I'll be in my Jade, which I also love because it's green, and it's like, by then hopefully the snow will have melted more and we'll be seeing a little bit more green. So I'm just excited for spring and for all that entails. So thank you so much for joining me again. Just a little quickie to say hi and show you my flip through, and please like, and I would love if you subscribed and hit that bell, because otherwise it doesn't really notify you when we post if you don't hit the bell to get all the notifications. I've noticed that for me when I'm like trying to follow people, so that would be awesome if you did that, and we'll see you next time on the farm. Bye.